Today's upcoming episode of Pati Brahmachari is expected to leave every viewer emotional because the story is about to take an unbelievable turn. A truth that has remained hidden for so long is finally on the verge of being revealed, and this single revelation could change every relationship forever. The episode opens with an atmosphere filled with pain and disappointment. Isha is completely shattered after believing that Suraj has deceived her. Every memory they once shared now feels meaningless to her, and her anger reaches a point where she refuses to listen to anything Suraj has to say. Standing before the entire family, Isha declares that she no longer has any relationship with Suraj. She tells him that her trust has been broken beyond repair and that she can never forgive him. Her emotional outburst leaves everyone speechless, while Suraj silently accepts every accusation without trying to defend himself. The silence of Suraj only strengthens everyone's belief that he is guilty. Family members begin looking at him with hatred and disappointment. Some believe he deserves punishment, while others feel he has betrayed the people who trusted him the most. Deep inside, however, Suraj knows that revealing the truth at the wrong time could place an innocent life in danger. Even though he is suffering, he chooses to remain silent and carry the blame alone. As emotions continue to rise, no one realizes that destiny is preparing a shocking surprise. Just when the family believes everything has come to an end, a mysterious man slowly enters the neighborhood. People stop whatever they are doing and stare at him in complete disbelief. The atmosphere suddenly becomes silent as everyone struggles to recognize the unexpected visitor. The moment his face becomes visible, the entire family is left frozen. It is Arav. The same Arav whom everyone believed had died has suddenly returned alive. No one can believe what they are seeing. Some family members begin crying with happiness, while others are too shocked to speak. Questions flood everyone's mind. If Arav is alive, then what really happened? Why was everyone told that he was gone forever? Isha cannot stop staring at him. She feels as though everything she believed has collapsed within a single moment. Arav walks toward his family and assures everyone that he is alive. After the emotional reunion, he finally decides that the truth can no longer remain hidden. He reveals that Suraj never betrayed anyone. Instead, Suraj secretly rescued him and arranged for his treatment in a hospital far away from the city. His survival was kept hidden because dangerous enemies were searching for him. If his location had been exposed, his life would have been in grave danger once again. Arav explains that Suraj willingly accepted blame from the entire family to keep him safe. He allowed everyone to misunderstand him because protecting Arav was more important than protecting his own reputation. These words leave everyone completely stunned. Isha slowly realizes that she made the biggest mistake of her life. Every harsh word she spoke to Suraj begins echoing in her mind. She remembers accusing him, insulting him, and breaking every bond they shared without knowing the real truth. Tears begin rolling down her face as guilt takes over her heart. Suraj, however, does not react with anger. Even after facing endless humiliation, he remains calm. He never expected appreciation for his sacrifices because his only goal was to protect Arav from those who wanted to destroy him. The family finally understands the depth of Suraj's sacrifice. They realize that they judged him far too quickly and never gave him a chance to explain himself. Regret spreads through the house as everyone begins accepting that Suraj was never the villain they believed him to be. But while this emotional truth brings relief, it also raises an even bigger mystery. Who wanted Arav to disappear? Who created such a dangerous conspiracy? Who benefited from making the family believe that Arav had died? As these questions begin to surface, everyone realizes that the real enemy is still hiding in the shadows. Arav hints that there are powerful people involved in the conspiracy and that the danger has not ended yet. His return is likely to expose secrets that have remained buried for a long time. The mastermind behind the entire plan may soon be forced to reveal their true face. Meanwhile, Isha gathers the courage to face Suraj. Overwhelmed with regret, she struggles to find the right words. She realizes that trust can be destroyed within moments, but rebuilding it is far more difficult. Whether Suraj forgives her immediately or chooses to distance himself remains one of the biggest emotional moments waiting for viewers. At the same time, Arav's return may create fear among those responsible for the conspiracy. They never expected him to come back alive, and now they may try everything possible to silence him before the truth reaches everyone. This could lead to another dangerous confrontation filled with suspense, emotional sacrifices, and unexpected betrayals. The upcoming episodes promise powerful drama, emotional reunions, hidden secrets, shocking revelations, and unexpected twists that will keep viewers glued to their screens. Every character is about to face the consequences of their decisions, while the truth slowly begins to expose every lie. Will Arav finally reveal the identity of the real mastermind? Will Suraj receive the respect he truly deserves after sacrificing everything for his family? Can Isha repair the relationship she broke with her own hands, or has the damage become impossible to undo? The answers to these questions will make the upcoming episodes even more exciting. If this twist unfolds as expected, it could become one of the most emotional and unforgettable moments in the history of Pati Brahmachari. What do you think about Arav's shocking return? Will this revelation finally reunite Suraj and Isha, or is another unexpected twist waiting just around the corner? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates from Pati Brahmachari.